Welcome to Lucas's Philippines.
Let me show what a normal rainstorm looks like. We've been getting the monsoon lately, where it rains once a day, and it's been doing that for the last week and a half, 2 weeks, something like that. So, rain, go away, come again. Oh wait, never mind, it's typhoon season. Yes, this is the beginning of typhoon season. The rainstorm's getting much worse. And if you look down there, I don't know how well you can see it. And we got about, a quarter-inch of river on the street. But only in certain parts. Like down there, that's probably ankle-deep puddle on that part of the street because it's going over the speed bump. Yeah. Inside the house, it sounds like the beginning of the end of the world or something because, tin roof and heavy rain.